Hi, Amare Salutem here. We create videos to help support your wellness journey. In today's video, we're going to go through a guided meditation. In previous videos, I've talked about the benefits of meditation, such as helping us be in the present moment. There's all types of different forms of meditation. Some work better for some people than others. And if you're a beginner in meditation, it might be helpful to try a guided type of meditation because you have someone taking you through the steps and kind of helping you guide your breathing and helping you center your focus. I want to share with you a guided meditation that I created. I've tried this with various students and they seem to find it helpful, so hopefully you will too. If you are not already, please pause this video and get in a comfortable space. It will be short, but it will hopefully make you feel more relaxed after. And after, we'll check back and see how we're feeling. So go ahead, pause, get comfortable, and I'll see you in a moment. Take a few moments to get comfortable in your chair. Pay attention to the weight of your body as you are seated. The soles of your feet touching the ground, your chest rising up and down as you breathe. You may notice your heart beating. You may place your hands in your lap or whatever feels right. You are safe and secure in this moment. When you feel comfortable, shut your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. We are about to go on a journey together that will give you a break from the everyday stressors of life. In a moment, you will find yourself going into a deeper state of relaxation, counting down from the number 5 all the way down to 1. With each number, take a deep breath in and out. By the time you reach the number 1, you will find yourself starting to feel more relaxed. 5. Deep breath in and out. 4. Calmness washes over you with every deep breath you take. 3. Deep breath in and out. 2. Feeling inner peace. 1. Last deep breath in and out, feeling calm and centered. Since our countdown, you'll notice you are now in a beautiful wooded area. You are carrying a bright yellow backpack and can feel its weight on your shoulders. The sky is blue. You hear birds chirping in the background, and you are surrounded by large pine trees. As you walk forward, you notice a large hot spring in the distance. You approach the spring and notice the water is a beautiful shade of aquamarine. The water softly bubbles at the surface. You take a seat on the edge of the spring and feel a drop of water jump out of the spring and onto your head. Your head starts to feel heavy and relaxed. The drop of water moves down your face and onto your neck. You realize that this water drop has the power to put you in a state of deeper calm as it moves down your body, down your chest, belly, over your leg, down your foot. As the water droplet hits the ground, you feel relaxed. You feel safe. You look over to the right and notice 3 small huts sitting close together with curious-looking doors. You walk closer. You inspect the huts in more detail. One has a lime green door with small orange dots. The next hut has a tall purple door with gold trimming, and the last one has a smaller door with black and white checkered squares. You choose your favorite door and walk into the hut. As you walk into the hut, you notice a big comfortable chair and decide to sit in it. The fabric feels soft against your skin. Next to the couch is a wastebasket. As you sink down into the chair, you decide to take off your bright yellow backpack and place it next to you. You reach into your bag and take out a box labeled Daily Stressors. You open the box and notice 3 heavy slips of paper. You realize it is these slips of paper that were causing your backpack to feel heavy. Written on each slip of paper is one thing that has been causing you stress lately. You read the first slip of paper and acknowledge your stressor. You crumble it up and put it in the wastebasket next to you. You silently say to yourself, "I see stressful situations as challenges. I am releasing all negative emotions from my system." You read the second slip of paper and consider your stressor. You tear it up and put it in the wastebasket. I am letting go of all my worries and fears. I focus on what I can control and leave what I cannot. You read the third piece of paper and ponder the stressor. You toss it into the wastebasket with the other slips of paper. You silently say to yourself, "I am thankful and grateful for the good in my life. I deserve a peaceful and happy life." You sit in the chair, recognizing how good you feel in this moment. You put the backpack on and notice how light it feels. You have let go of your stressors. You are letting go of the things that have been bogging you down in life. You recognize that you cannot control all situations, but can control how you perceive and react. You get up from the chair feeling very light, open the door and find yourself back outside. You feel safe. You walk forward and see a set of steps going up a hill and exiting the woods. There are 5 steps. As you walk up each step, you will start to become more aware of your body and your surroundings. Step 1, feeling renewed. Step 2, feeling aware of your physical self. Step 3, noticing the weight of your body in your seat. Step 4, feeling your feet on the ground. Step 5, feeling recharged and clear-headed, ready to rejoin. When you feel ready, you may slowly open your eyes,
Take a moment to acknowledge how you feel.
I hope you liked this guided meditation. Let me know how you're feeling in the comments below. Hopefully you're feeling more refreshed, more rejuvenated. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so I know to make more videos like this. Stay tuned for more wellness videos. Have a great rest of your day. Take care and bye.